hello everyone. I welcome you all to Experience Humanities. So today we'll be discussing resource and development class 10th. So let's start. The development of resources. What is development? Maintenance of resources in a efficient manner. That is called development. Resources जो हैं उनको maintain करना और proper balanced way में चलाना, deplete ना होने देना, खत्म ना होने देना, exploit ना करना, उसको डेवलपमेंट कहते हैं. ठीक है. टेक्निकल नो हाउ लाना ताकि रिसोर्सेज को प्रॉपर एक्सट्रैक्शन हो सके. ऑल दीज आर कॉल्ड डेवलपमेंट. ओके, सो वी विल बी सीइंग सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट. नाउ व्हाट इज दिस सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट? सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट से हम ये समझते हैं कि वैसे रिसोर्स को यूज करना कि हमारा फ्यूचर जनरेशन उन रिसोर्सेज को भी यूज कर सके बाय efficiently using the resources. Efficient use करना, नहीं कि over exploit करना. Okay, so this is what is called sustainable development. When you use the resources in a manner that future generation are not, in a state that they cannot afford these resources which we can afford now. Okay, so basically this was the agenda of Rio de Janeiro Summit 1992, where 100 heads of states were present and they discussed for this kind of agenda. Okay, so you need to keep these things in your mind while studying the development of resources. Now, what is the Agenda 21? To combat environmental damage, poverty, disease through global cooperation on common interest, mutual needs and shared responsibility. Okay, इस तरीके से रिसोर्स को यूज करना का एजेंडा 21 में यूज बताया गया. ओके, सो इन्वायरमेंटल डैमेज, पॉवर्टी, डिजीज को रोकने के लिए ग्लोबल एक कम्युनिटी बनाई जाए जो कम्युनिटी प्रोटेक्ट करेगी किसको? इन्वायरमेंटल डैमेज. ओके, सो दिस वाज द एजेंडा 21 and taken under the United Nations Conference on Environment and Development. Okay, so we move on to resource planning. Whatever आप कुछ भी काम करने से पहले प्लान बनाते, तो the same condition applies over the resources also. When you are using the resources, you need to plan. You need to know how your resources are getting used. So this know-how, this knowing is done by planning. So there are certain areas which have ample amount of resources. Example, you can take Jharkhand. Okay, there are certain areas which have resources, but they are unavailable to, take those resources due to the unavailability of technical know-how. So this planning needs to be done while, making the resources and using the resources in a proper manner. Okay. Now, resource planning in India. Basically, what is resource planning in India? In India, why we are using the resources? The resources हमारे इंडिया में एम्पल अमाउंट में प्रेजेंट. जब इंडिया कॉलोनी था ब्रिटिश का, तो ब्रिटिश ने बहुत अच्छे से हमारे रिसोर्सेस को ट्रेन किया. ठीक है, यहाँ से उठा के और इंग्लैंड ले गए. ब्रिटिशर्स ने ये काम किया. कैसे? उनके पास टेक्निकल नो हाउ था, टेक्नोलॉजी से वो डेवलप्ड थे. ओके, सो दैट इज व्हाई दे वर एबल टू टेक अवे रिसोर्सेज फ्रॉम इंडिया. व्हाई वी आर नॉट एबल टू capable of using the resources, extracting the resources, because we are lagging behind in technical know-how. Nowadays we are coming up, we are developing, but at the time, at the certain level, we were not developed. So that is the development which is required, and that is what is called planning when you talk about it. Okay, so now when you have planned how to take the resources, when you have developed, you need to conserve the resources. Conservation refers to saving the resources. Okay, यूज तो करना है, लेकिन इकोलॉजिकल बैलेंस और इकोनॉमिक दोनों को मेंटेन करके चलना है. इकोलॉजिकल मतलब हमारे एनवायरमेंट में only human beings are not there. There are other living organisms. So we need to take care of those living organisms too. So ecology with economy should be our motto and sustainable development. This is the second motto we should have for development. Okay, so now we move on to land resource. Basically, what is land resource? We have ample amount of resources there. Okay, so using those resources in an efficient manner is what is called land resource. एंड लैंड रिसोर्स क्या होता है? जब हम लैंड मतलब लैंड को एज अ रिसोर्स यूज करते हैं, कैसे? वी कैन यूज इट इन डिफरेंट मैनर्स. सो लैंड हमारे लिए क्या हो गया? रिसोर्स हो गया. वी आर टेकिंग रिसोर्स एज अ लैंड. ओके, सो this land utilization refers to this part, how we are using land by farming. Okay, by तुम्हारा जो फील्ड्स हैं, जो एग्रीकल्चरल फील्ड्स हैं जिनको हमने फार्मिंग कहा, आपका पैस्चर लैंड्स है, ग्रेजिंग फील्ड्स है, ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर व्हाट? यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ लैंड. सो यू आर यूटिलाइजिंग लैंड रिसोर्सेस. लैंड रिसोर्सेस क्या हुए? वैसे रिसोर्सेस जो लैंड के फॉर्म में आपके सामने प्रेजेंट हैं और उनको आप यूज कर रहे हो. यूजेस क्या क्या है? डिफरेंट है. फार्मिंग, you can take the example of pasture lands, you can take the example of grazing fields for the livestock, etc. So now when you have known about resource and utilization, you need to know the use pattern. देखो, बहुत सारे हमारे इंडिया में मतलब 3.28 मिलियन स्क्वायर किलोमीटर लैंड. ओके, सो यू नीड टू नो दैट सारे लोग इन लैंड को यूज नहीं कर पा रहे. वेरी फ्यू. When you talk about Punjab and Haryana, 80% of the net sown area is being used. But there are certain places where this is not being done. So this is the use pattern over here. How the farming techniques are developed, how things are made. So you need to keep these things in your mind. Moreover, the forest when you talk about is desired to be 33%, but it is not 33%. It is less than that. So you can imagine how the overestimate and the overwhelming population over in India, that is exploiting the resources which we have in our country. So we need to use those resources, develop those resources in an efficient manner so that the resources can be made available to our future generation and they may feel safe and secure. So I hope you would be clear with all the concepts of this part of the lesson, and I hope you would like the video and subscribe my channel. And till then, we'll meet again in the next part. So I hope the resources planning in India, sustainable development in India, and in the world, it's also Agenda 21. All these things would be clear. So thank you everyone. We'll meet again in the next part.